if it's a coin. Oh, what is that? Right then, back at the beach. I'm on the Dorset coast now. I've moved away from Somerset. The weather was lovely where we was in Glastonbury, but yeah, we've come down to the Dorset coast. So I'm going to have a couple of hours on the beach here, and literally it will be a couple of hours. Don't forget, there's an LP offer code, so if you want 10% off most items, then use OPS10 at checkout. Thank you very much appreciated. See you at the end. No matter what I find, you will see. See you at the end. Bye. First hole, 1991. And we've got a lid, just a lid. 76, 77. Bloody electrical connector. Never mind. 86, 87. Going to be, it's out. Is it going to be a pound? No, it's not. It's going to be a penny. Oh, yeah, that's been preserved under there. Unbelievable how that preserves it. Yeah, first coin of the day. Ah, bloody ring pull. I've just had a beaver tail as well. Oh, there you go, a ring pull. Right, I'm going to put you on. I think I've just found a bit of jewellery. I might be wrong. I think that's one of them ear things. I believe.
Sorry mate, can I ask a small favour if you get 2 minutes? We've lost a peg in the sand. It's only a small thing, but they're ass to get a hold of.
Yeah, no, it's fine. No worries
right?
at all.
Only when we're here for ages.
No, that's fine. I'll go down there and then when I come back.
One of the boys was like,
Yeah, no worries. No worries at all. I think that's one of them ear loop things. I might be wrong, as in those that have their earlobes dug out quite a lot. I might be wrong though, I don't know. Just got a dog tag. Just a dog tag. I won't turn it over because of the name and the number on there. But yeah, dog tag. I've got an 87, not moving. £2. Thank you very much. Another 87. We'll get another £2. No, it's £1 this time. £1. Oh, I've just seen what it is. As you can see, it is grunting. It's a 10p piece. Yeah, 10p piece. So I've got £1 from £2 from there, £1 from there, 20p from down here. 10p, sorry, from down here. 66 there. So it should be a 10p or a 50p maybe. I think it's in the scoop. Yeah, 50p. It used to come out as 69. That one's come up as a 66. Again, all fresh. They're damp, so they've been in there a little while, but not very long. So 50p, 10p, £1, £2. Oh, just found a mobile phone. Still on. Okay. So 51, 52, could be a 5p piece if it's a coin. Oh, what is that? No, someone's. Okay. I think I just found another ring. I might be wrong. Yeah, found another ring. This one's for the finger though, not the ear. Nice one. Copper one. Keep away the arthritis maybe. There you go, one ring. Oh, we've got 65, 64. In fact, it's a 61 to 63. So it's probably going to be a ring pull. Oh, that sounds a bit rough now. Oh, no, it's even worse. The vape. Joys of beach detecting. A vape. That's not something you find every day on the beach. Light wood. Can't really read what that says. Southern mouth. Southern. No. Oh, Bournemouth. It's a number 12 shotgun cartridge. Or shotty end. Yeah, Bournemouth, sorry. So it says light wood, Bournemouth, number 12, shotty end. There you go. Oh, that's an 81, 82. Things you find, eh? A fishing reel handle this time. There you go. So it's been there a while. I've got an 87, 89. $7.89. It's out. No, just a bit of aluminium. Yeah, just a bit of aluminium. Just found another brass item. It looks like the eyeglass off of a telescope. Looks like it's been in the sand a while. All the magnifying glass part of it is all, well, yeah, it's shaded now, so it's all been scratched to pieces. So I don't know how long that's been in the ground for. But yeah, looks like a telescope end. There seems to be a copper magnet tonight. A little bangle, a bit of copper on the end there. It's there. There you go. Right, if you've got this far, thank you very much. Much appreciated. Didn't do too bad on the beach. About £3.60, £3.70, something like that. Mobile phone, still switched on. And yeah, well, someone's baggies, so to speak. They will be disposed of. But yeah, apart from that, didn't do too bad. Got a few of the usual stuff that you get off of the beach, so ring pulls and that. And yeah, thank you very much for joining, and see you on the next. But don't forget, LP code. So if you go to checkout, when you go to the checkout, sorry, if you want a 10% discount on most items, use OPS10. So it's OPS10 to get 10% off of most items. Thanks a lot. See you around. Bye.